Innovative renovation of a 3 square meter space in New York. This room is just 3.2 by 1.3 meters, barely enough for a coffin. Little John managed to earn some money by selling pure water and used most of it to pay for his son's education. With the little he had left, he decided to redecorate the room in this way. Firstly, use galvanized square pipes to create a strong floor frame by welding them horizontally and vertically. Cover it with environmentally friendly wood veneer that's durable for 100 years. Add a soft and fluffy mattress for the bed. Next to it, build a small wall cabinet for easily storing everyday clothes. Then, embed 4 hydraulic screws into the wall for a bed that can adjust its height with a simple press of a 1-key oil pump, making it easier to get in and out of bed. Also, install a small elevator so Alice, the daughter-in-law, doesn't have to worry about climbing up and down. Set aside a spot on the ground for a squat toilet, borrowing a functional one from his aunt. Install it and then drill a hole above it to place a wall poster, setting up a space for all the toiletries. On the opposite wall, install a built-in shower for an ample water supply, ensuring a comfortable bath without a bathtub. Add a mini sink to the left with a small mirror in the washing area, and use the same type of non-slip tiles on the floor and walls for a cohesive look. Place a glass partitions in the shower area to prevent water from splashing everywhere. Construct a set of wall cabinets along the wall, placing a sink in the left section with a cabinet below it for storing daily essentials purchased online. Install an induction cooker on the right with a drum washing machine underneath for easy access to laundry. Add a small wall cabinet above where he keeps the calcium milk he's been drinking since childhood. Tile the middle wall for hygiene and install a perforated panel on the side to hang kitchen utensils. Extend a folding desk from the side. This is where little John works around the clock, earning for his family. The desk doubles as a dining table when you place dishes and chopsticks on it. Add a projector to turn the space into a viewing area. This setup is perfect for the couple to sit back, watch a movie, and rekindle their romance.